Hello, everyone. Hope everything's going good today. I think today we're going to go into lead leaps, and then we're going to create a page. So basically, you would go in here. I'm already on that page. So you'll go to Page Manager, okay, and you hit Add a new campaign. Okay, and then it's drop down screen. You can name the campaign anything you want. So I think we'll just name it Hannah, and then add new. Okay, and there, if you look right here, this is your new sales page. Okay, you always want to add another page. This is like the basic page right here. This gives you your URLs, and if you're premium or pro, this is the one you would use. But we're going to go here, add a new page, and I'll show you this in one I created this morning. Okay, and you want to add blank. If you had a code to import in, if someone gave you a code like it was their sales page, then you would enter it here. But we're going to add blank. Just take a few minutes. Okay, and it usually has this little thing popping down here. It says click here to start your design. You can see here now, this is the main page. We named it Hannah. This is the other page that we just created. So we're going to change. You can change the name on that. So we're going to make this Hannah 1. Okay, and it just kind of takes that number out. So you'll see it there. Now it's now Hannah 1. And if at any time you can change that. So we're going to go ahead here and launch the editor. Now this is where you're going to be building your page. Okay, so these are your opt-in pages. This is where the sign-up forms, squeeze page. This is where they would enter their email and things like that. So I'm going to just kind of drop down. You could do a thank you page, a review page, a sales page. Okay, and then let's see what we got here. You can use any, let's see what we got here. I think I used this one when I created this morning. So this is a review page. And this is bringing up that format of that review page. Okay, so here now is this is actually what you'll be working with. Okay, so right here, you just click on the domain. Okay, this is the review page. You'd want to put your domain in here. So what you would do is click it, and then you can change. You can swipe this out and go ahead and put a link in here. And what it'll do, it'll pop up here. And I'll show you on the one that I made already. In any spot like this here, if you want to edit the text, you're going to take that text out. Basically, just copy and paste your new text in. I'm going to go ahead and just take this out. Okay, so you see the text is gone now. So like I said, you can type anything you want in there, Jim, and that's what'll go into there. Okay, so, and then the third thing would be your banner on this page specifically. This is your banner. Now this is your code for the banner. So what you'd want to do is, I have a program open here right now, and if you're putting a banner of a safe list on here, let's say if you wanted to do 3 safe lists, and those are the examples that I used in mine. Let's make this one Traffic G. So what we would do is go here, go into Traffic G, and find like referral others. This is what they want to do here. Okay, so when you refer others in here, it has like, okay, I want to use a banner. So we're going to go ahead and use the banner. I see that the 768 by 60s are working really well. So I should say 468 by 60s. So what you would do is you would copy that. That's the code for that banner. And then what we would do is go in here, we would take this one out, delete it, Control V, and it just takes a few minutes and it'll pop in. There it is. That's how you would put your banner in. Okay, and then you would do that. You would just do that for all three of these. Would be your review. Now, you can change this text. You could take it out. As I said, it's right here. Don't try to click on this, but it's right here. So no hype, so we're going to take it out, and you can put any text you want in there, and it'll just pop up here. Okay, as for the pictures, you can go ahead and click on that, and then maybe take this one out. So you're going to delete that way, okay, and then you click it again, and sometimes it gives you portraits or small background. Let's see what we got here. It kind of gives you a variety of things that you can put in here if you wish. So I'm pretty sure that I use this one here. And this is where you could put it. Right now it defaults to the center. What you want to do, I think this morning I put bottom left. Okay. And then you just go ahead and click out of that. Save, it'll put it. Okay, and there. Now we removed her picture and we put this picture in. And you can put your picture in if you have it. It's got to be a JPEG file. Okay, so that's basically how you get through, and you go ahead and you edit each one of these screens, and you can highlight them, you can put different colors behind them. So that's basically that there. So now what you would look at is a quick preview. Okay, we'll save that picture. Okay, it always works saved. And then take a quick preview of it. And like I said, it's not finished yet, but this is basically what you would have here. Okay, so we'll go ahead back to the working mode, and we'll back out of this. Okay, so that's this one here. So anytime you wanted to work on this Hannah and this editor, you would just launch editor, and you could work on that page, and it'll pop up. And it's bringing all that information. It's gathering it all. And there's the Hannah again, where you can go in and do anything that you want to do. So, okay, so we'll just back out of that. And then I'm going to show you that same sales page. And I'm going to show you that I built this morning. I named it sales page, and this is the second page. I named it sales page 1. So we're going to launch editor. Okay, and this one's not finished either, but I'll just show you exactly what it was when I got it finished. And I still have to add a thank you page to it whenever they opt in, but we'll go through that. Okay, so this is basically what I put in here. Those are the links that I put in. This is what I put for like a little bit of a review. And this one right here was my my banner that I added to it. Same with this, my banner for traffic ad bar, and then this one here is traffic G. Okay, and then I added that picture, and I just changed some information down here, and we'll just give you a quick preview of what it looks like when they're done. They really look nice. This is what it'll look like. This is where someone, if they want the information, they'll go and put their email in here and their name, And then what you would do when they click this, it would take you to a thank you page. So we're going to go ahead and save this. It's already saved. We'll go back and we'll X out of this. Now I'll show you one that I built yesterday that is active. Um, let's see here. This one here is built and active at this point. Okay, and you can do this. This is just basically an opt-in page. You would go in and you would change some of the wording, and then when it clicks on here, you put your email in, clicks here, then it goes to a thank you page. And this is the thank you page right here. You can get a lot of pages on here. It's okay, so here's the thank you page that I created. Okay, when they put their email in and they click next, okay, and then this is the next page that pops up. It's a thank you, and then this is where they would click to get their report. Those are things within there that you need to, when you're building your page, you need to go in the editor, and you need to tie it to a list. In this one here, I created a new list. Okay, so like I said, we can just go through, and there's that little bar. It wants me to activate the page, which, that's the one I'm not finished with yet on the sales page. But I kind of hope this training helped you out a little bit. We just kind of scratched the surface. Um, it's going to take a little bit more time to try to, go through everything else. Um, but we'll cover that in another video. We'll go ahead and build a sales page, and we'll build the thank you page, and then we'll go ahead and activate it through. Um, okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye now.